Hi, this is a part whole, part unknown word problem. Liam has 300 marbles, 128 are blue, and the rest are green. How many green marbles does Liam have? And we'll come over here, and we'll see 300 minus 128. And as you've seen, I have laid out 3 blocks, each representing 100. So this would represent 300. Now, in the traditional algorithm, we would come over here and we would turn that into a 10, and then turn that into a 9, and then turn the 3 into a 2. And we would solve from there. But why do we do that? We come over here, and if you see, I've laid out the 3 blocks of 100. And since we do not have any 1s or 10s, we're going to have to come over here and decompose this 100 into 10 10s. Right over here. And this is where we have to start decomposing these to get those top numbers that you always see. We never knew why we did. And we're going to come over here and we're going to see there's still no 1s that we can take the 8 from 128 from. So we're going to have to come over here with this 10, and we're going to decompose this 10 into 10 1s. Now, as you've seen, we have 10 1s over here. And that is like what we would do in the traditional algorithm. When we were marking out the 0 to turn into a 10, that's what these 10 1s represent right here, is us taking a 10 over here and turning it into 10 1s. And since we had to break down, that's why this is not going to be a 10, that's why it's a 9, because we had to take away one of the 10 10s, and that's why we're left with 9. And we're left with 2 hundreds because we had to break down that first 100 to get to the 10 10s and the 10 1s. Now that we have enough 10, now we have 10 1s, we can take away 8 1s. That is in the 8 from 128. Over here. And then we're going to come over here, and there is 2 in the 10s place. And this would represent 20. So we're going to go over here and take away 2 10s, which would be 20. And then we're going to come over to the 1s place, to the 100s place. And it says it has a 1. And then we're going to come over here and take 100. And then we're going to mark all this out. And you're going to see that we have 1 100, and we have 7 10s, and then we have 2 1s. So this represents 172. And that is how we did the traditional with the blocks.